This is a short video explaining the different contracts present under a client. Head over to the Contracts tab inside a client. The first one is subscription items. This is where you can define any monthly, annual or one-off recurring subscriptions you have running with clients. Any item that is defined as a product, block hour or block money and the service catalog are listed here. You can click that subscription to define the terms for it, starting from whether this is applicable across sites or specific to any one site of that client. You can first define the unit price. This is, by default, taken from the service catalog and can be overridden. As for quantity type, it can be one of these options. Selecting all users will take the count of the requesters listed under this client. Likewise, all assets will take the count of the assets managed for this client. Whereas by selecting custom, you can mention the quantity as required. In addition to running monthly or annual contracts, you can also define one-off contracts that can be used for some additional project work coming your way. The billing date is the date on which the value of the subscription is pushed to the billing queue. The end date is not mandatory. However, it can be set to create expiry reminders. This is where the custom quantity is entered and the proration happens. The effective date is useful when the billing start date is in the future but the client would like the services right away. In this case, the unit price is prorated until the next billing date accordingly, and can be invoiced right away. You can also add any custom description that will be displayed on the invoice. Next one is custom pricing. Any item that's marked as a work log can be added under custom pricing. Custom pricing can be used when the MSP would like to provide a service at a discounted price for a specific client. This discounted price will take effect on the invoice when the worklog is billed. Next is conditional pricing. Conditional pricing is used when the unit price must change based on certain conditions that come up. For example, if a ticket is of higher priority, or if an experienced technician is working on the ticket, or even if a specific type of ticket comes your way, you can override the defined unit price of the item here. This updated price is used for invoicing purposes. Finally, blacklisted services are those service items that the client has not subscribed for and must not be billed. These will not show up on the list when a work log is being added. Finally, when a block hour or block money item is being added part of the subscription, service items that must be adjusted against this block can be chosen. Do reach out to us via the in-app chat for any further questions.